very good evening to all our viewers. Welcome to Media Plus News. At a press briefing of the MDA government, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, had informed the media on the various decisions taken on boundary issues between Assam and Meghalaya during the cabinet meeting of the 19th of July 2021.
There is no status as such. We have got all the documents that are there from our side, and those documents we have been sharing and and showing and presenting it in different meetings to the Assam side. So there is nothing to hide about that, and based on that only we have mentioned our claims. But again, as I mentioned, this entire approach will require a fresh look to the whole thing, and therefore we will try to balance out between historical facts, the current situation and the future.